Okay, I'm going to demonstrate how to use a Lee loader. These are just some different parts. Come in a kit. They don't make these anymore, so you got to find them used on. We got this one on eBay. So first thing you got to do, you have your shotgun shell. I made this block. It's just a hollowed out piece of wood, hollowed out on the bottom. Duelist 1954 shows this method as well. When mine came, this is supposed to be your decapping pin, but it was screwed onto it, so it won't work for that anymore, and this works better anyway. So take your decapping pin, comes with it, stick that in there. You want a poly hammer, pound that out. This is a piece of granite from a countertop place locally. Get it free. Just go and ask them, they probably got scraps. It's good for setting your primer. And I'm using high gun powder. I got it in my local reloading shop. I put it in this container to make it easier. Now the load data for this, I can't remember how many grains of powder it is, but I know I needed 2 different Lee scoops, and the kit I bought didn't come with a powder scoop. So I just got to do 1 of each. I'm using a 1.3 cc and a 1 cc. Just put my powder there so I don't end up with a mess. Okay, you take your wad. It's a little hard to work it in there sometimes, but I like to just take your tool to reseat to seat your primer. Put that in there. A little whack. I got a scrap piece of leather on here, so I know I'm not gonna set off the primer. And you take a powder scoop. This one's set to 1 1/8. Your shot using mixture number 6 and 7 1/2. Put that in there. This thing, all this does is crimp it. It does not resize the metal part. So if you're going to use one of these, you want to make sure that the shell fits in your gun. If you didn't fire it out of that gun, you'll want to make sure that it works, because I've got one gun and some certain bullets will not work. And you have a loaded shotgun shell. And that is all there is to it. Pretty simple. Thanks for watching.